What is ASP web hosting? ASP web hosting refers to web hosting companies who provide support for ASP or active server page. What is ASP? ASP short of active server page are HTML pages with embedded ASP scripts. ASP scripts are processed on the server before the page is sent to the visitor's browser. ASP allow you to create dynamic database-driven pages. A visitor can access data in our database and interact with pages objects such as ActiveS or Java components. How does ASP work? When you type in a URL in the address box of your browser, you are asking the web server to send the file to your computer. If the file is standard HTML, then the file that your web browser receives will look exactly the same as it did on the web server. However, if an ASP file is sent to your computer from the server, it first runs the HTML code, then the ASP code. The ASP code could be anything such as the current time, date, or other such information. How to find an ASP web host? You will need to find a web host who will host your website on a Windows server. It is safer to host your ASP pages on a Windows server as they are more stable and most ASP components work specific to Windows. You also need to consider if your website uses a database such as SQL and Access. Make sure your website host provides support for the type of database your website requires. Types of web hosting services. There are various types of web hosting services available to host your website. Before signing up for web hosting services, it is important to understand that kind of service your website needs, the kind of service you or your business needs, your budget, and what type of services the web host offers. Hosting options available are website builders, shared hosting, dedicated hosting, collocated hosting. Website builders. Website builder services is a type of hosting services that caters to beginners who need to host a website but lack the technical skills and knowledge to build one. Website builder service typically provide you with an online browser-based interface to build your website and also host a website for you without any additional setup. Website.com is a website builder service provider. Shared hosting. In a shared hosting environment, you and other website owner shared one server. This includes sharing the physical service and the software applications with the server. Shared hosting services are affordable because the cost to operate the server is shared between you and these other owners. There are, however, a number of downsides such as being slower. Dedicated hosting. In our dedicated hosting environment, you have the entire web service to yourself. This allows for faster performance as you have all the servers resources entirely without sharing with other website owner. However, this also means that you will be responsible for the cost of service operation entirely. This is good choice for websites that requires a lot of system resources. You need a high level of security. Co-located hosting. In this type of hosting, you will purchase your own server and have it hosted at a web host facilitates. You will be responsible for the server itself. An advantage of this type of hosting service is you have full control of the web server. You can install any script or application you need.